These are actually tender cashew nuts. Konkani, these are called bibe. This top part that you guys can see here, this whole part, this would develop into cashew fruit. Here is where the nut would develop, but these are tender and small, but you can eat these apparently. You just need to like crack them open. If this fruit was left to grow, like a mature cashew fruit is actually red, yellow or orange. They're mostly used to make this local liquor called cashew feni, which is quite cheap and quite potent, and it has a characteristic smell. Plate is so full. This rice, of course. Here is some prawn or shrimp chili fry. Here is some French bean, which is just sort of cooked with a lot of coconut. Love this, simple but so delicious. Here's some shellfish or tisrio, also with a lot of coconut. Can never have enough coconut. And for curry, I'm having the solantule curry, which is like a pork curry with kokum fruit for flavoring. But I'm not having any pork because like my plate is so full, so I just need to work at eating all of this. It was a really nice day, super quiet. Actually slept in today. Mom and Inez both cooked up so many amazing things that I am beyond stuffed right now. So full, but so satisfied. Now we're going to visit some family in another neighboring village. If you guys watched the Goa vlogs that I did like a year and a half ago, I actually started the vlogs in their house. That is my mom's dad's side of the family. It's another really beautiful house, really old, surrounded by a lot of greenery, and I'm looking forward to meeting our family members this time as well. So we took a little break, though we've just started walking. Mama is there. Mama is a little pissy because we are already running late. It's not my fault that we're running late, but we are, and I keep stopping. But we're at the village spring now. Again, if you guys watched the vlogs from a year and a half ago, we've come here and we even took the drone up so you guys can get an aerial view of this beautiful coconut grove behind us. This spring is a part of my childhood, it's a part of your childhood also, and it's just a part of the village. Last time when we chilled here for a little while, towards the end, all these shady people started gathering and were behaving really rowdy. So now we noticed they've even taken off the bench and they put up all these warning signs that people shouldn't pollute the water, shouldn't play loud music. As always, because of some people's shitty behavior, everyone's got to suffer. Let's take a peek in the spring. Little fishies in there. And clear water. I've seen a water snake in here. Are we halfway done?
Halfway.
We've finished the most brutal part. Part of this walk has a very steep incline. It really knocks the wind out of you. That coupled with the weather, it makes it a little difficult. So now we're probably taking a break. The house is right ahead. There are fields here, and if you guys can see that little road far away there where traffic's passing, that is actually a national highway. It looks like a small road, but it's a major road in a way. I remember when we were young, like me and my cousin, we like walked all the way to there, which it doesn't seem like much now, but walking through the field is no joke. I was 11, she was probably a bit older. is such a beautiful home. I've spent some time like staying here also during vacations when I was young. This is the house where my grandfather grew up, and it's crazy to think that there have been some modernizations to the house, but it's basically the same house where he and all of his siblings grew up, and I also stayed here, and it makes me a little bit emotional. I got to meet Popsy again as well. He's the dog. He's been here a long time. Like, this family rescued him from a sort of a cruel situation that he was in, and he's really getting on in life now. He's really old. He's a senior dog. He's arthritic, and still they take such good care of him, my cousin and my uncle and auntie, and he's old and grizzled, but he's still happy, and that's so nice.